Kitekite Falls, Glen-esque valley. Hold on, let's rewind to the start of something epic. Ever wondered what this track really holds? Breathtaking canopies. It also features nature's raw and destructive power.
All storm damage, and this is where it would have tunneled down.
There's a story here. I'll take you on streamside treks, reveal stunning paths, and share some fun facts. Ready for your ultimate New Zealand guide? Hit subscribe. Waitākere Glen-esque Valley. So, this is your car park, and there's two tracks. Straight Kitekite track to the waterfall. Briar's Walk. From the Kitekite track waterfall, you can take the connect track to actually see the top of the waterfall, which is amazing. Kitekite Falls track, approximately 30 minutes. Oh, wash feet, hang on. Look at this! Can I go in? Freaking massive. Oh! She's large! Holy moly! Look at this beast. This way's a little better. Haere mai, and welcome to the realm of the Tirewa. Don't know what a Tirewa is. Dr. William Stockwell bought land above Kitekite Falls, and family members and friends lived here from 1871 to 1876. Stockwell renamed the valley after the river in his neighbourhood back in Scotland. The roads into this valley and streams retain the name Glen-esque. Oh, okay. It's nice and shaded. It's also a really massive pathway, which is nice. Look at the stream. Not shaded anymore. Good picnic spots. Good little picnic spot. No, thank you. Timberland. These were once timber mills based off this valley near the track entrance. Cody trees from the hills around you fed the mills. It was a busy, noisy and productive place, but hey, day was short from 1912 to 21. During this time around 14 million super feet of mainly Cody timber was cut and milled here. Enough to build 2,300 houses. The mill people. Bushmen had a difficult job as they would trudge up and down the tracks to larger Cody trees armed with heavy tools including bush jacks, bush devils. A track off this one known as Home Track, currently closed, was used by the bushmen to get from home and afar after a hard day's work in the forest. On horseback. Strictly no access. That must be the closed one. Can't imagine timber and moving and back in those days. Feel sorry for the horses. Have a lovely tractor. Dun, dun.
We can do that
Kitekite track. Oh, to the falls. We go to the track.
Kitekite is a word that is used by the Māori warrior. When they use that word kitekite, it actually is a signal to say to attack. So they use that sound, kitekite, to attack people or at a battle.
So essentially we're saying hey ho, charge and falls.
Yeah.
What?
Kitekite is a word that the Māori warriors used. It's a code name for attack.
Uh-huh.
So they go kitekite, or it sounds like kitekite.
Okay.
Kitekite.
What if they had lots of cats back then and it was just like, hey kitty, 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 and they'd be like, oh my god, who are we attacking? No? Not a thing? Maybe rather than cats they had mountain lions and it was like still kitty kitty. May have been mountain lions, were you there?
Mountain mowers.
Oh, is it that big bird, the mower?
They got made extinct because they were eating it.
They were made extinct because they were eating it. Meanwhile, this day and age, most things are cultivated in hordes because we eat too much of them. The night shift. As hikers head home, nocturnal creatures emerge. First come the crepuscular, those that come out in the twilight for a snack. Then, under the cover of darkness, come the true night hunters. And this is a murpuruk. That is a string. I don't want to put my feet in there. It still looks a bit blech. I think the closer you get to the falls, the more clearer it should be. Still cicada central.
Cicadas come out, you know it's going to be a good day.
And then they die. I guess if you've got limited time to live as a cicada, you have to choose the right day to get out.
You can swim there.
You can swim there. Mm-hmm. Little river crossing. You call that a bay? That's kind of a bay. So, there are eels in there, and according to the signs, they're protected. But I want to know what protects me from getting bitten by an eel.
No, I usually very sharp.
There are eels. For now, to the falls. Cool. Cicadas are booming. I touched a native. I don't know if they enjoyed it or not as much as I did, but it was quite fun. This track is really nice.
It is nice. It wasn't like this when I was here last.
It did say that it had been reasonably recently restored due to the flood damage, which seems to affect every single track.
It's beautiful. It's wonderful.
Wunderbar.
Wunderbar.
Wunderbar. Panga and Nikau. Yes. Kaikatia. And staghorn. Very from the root.
He's got ear freshener. Can't remember the bathroom.
Air freshener.
Make the ear smell nice.
Yeah. Depending on how bad you are, though, I don't know how much you'd need a plant. find it quite fascinating how in parts the cicadas are just so dense it becomes quite deafening, and then it's quite quiet and then it's loud again.
They live in different suburbs, you know.
Different suburbs. Yeah.
One's sexy, others in yellow.
Yeah, it's all storm damage, and this is where it would have tunneled down. Crazy. Falling rocks. What was this?
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's a sigh and a half. Oh yeah. I don't see where any rocks could be falling from, to be quite honest with you. There's no bloody rocks there.
This is a potential landslip area.
Piha's beach seems more dangerous than that.
Yeah, I don't underestimate powerful landslides.
First bridge crossing, stream crossing. Let's have a look. And debris. That's a taste of Kitekite's magic. But hold on, you wanted to see the falls. You'll need to conquer these. How many regs would you take on these stairs? Be honest in the comments. Join me in the next video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the big reveal.